Welcome to 1706 Baker Road. This stunning mid-century home was thoughtfully redesigned in 2008. It's packed with high-quality features, flowing with natural light, and minutes away from everything Raleigh and Cary have to offer, including the North Carolina Museum of Art, the PNC Center, SAS, Umstead Park, downtown Cary, and downtown Raleigh. Please join me to see the story of the transformation of this lovely home into the modern gem you see today. Come on in.
It was a mid-60s split-level ranch.
The house had carpet everywhere, and so we were kind of pleasantly surprised to when we started pulling up the carpet that there were nice hardwoods. And we finished all the floors, and we've got these great hardwood floors throughout the house. And we wanted to add some square footage and kind of make it more of an open floor plan by taking the roof off and adding these trusses and this big ceiling. We've made this into one giant room, but it's still got its independent areas that kind of makes it feel warm and inviting and casual, laid back space to be in.
So private, there are windows on all four walls, and you really get a sense of the seasons and the light, no matter what time of day. It's just a great space to be in. We wanted to do the pocket doors because there's so many windows in a lot of the rooms, and we didn't want those to be covered up when a door is opened. So it was just a great use of space, I think.
With a new construction, part of this house is brand new, and the other part is kind of retrofitting it. We took cautions to do some energy efficient upgrades like the insulation throughout the house. We have foam insulation in a good portion of the existing and all of the new structure. For instance, we took off all the siding and we replaced it with hardy plank, but also did a home wrap which seals the house and makes it more energy efficient. We upgraded the HVAC with a highly efficient air conditioner, kind of make it just a very well built and energy efficient home.
The front yard from probably February all through October, something's going to be blooming. So you start out with the red buds and the daffodils, and just as they start to fade, we've got magnificent azaleas front and back, just beautiful established plants, dogwoods. And then as they've gone away, now we've got jasmine going, we have daylilies popping out. So black-eyed Susans will be coming in soon, and they're all perennials and established. So I love that we get the benefit of,
year-round.
Yeah, 8 months of color for almost no work.
There's paths all throughout. We've got our little chicken coop in the back if someone wanted to, have chickens, and we've got a garden out there.